And that is my new skincare routine.
The HeadpOp Focus.
The HeadpOp Focus.
To acne, pimples, or even blackheads.
Sebum is produced by the skin. Without dealing with it properly, it can cause skin trouble, such as acne and enlarged pores. The best way to dealing with sebum is with a sebum extruder, but that comes with a number of problems. That's why we have created the Haman Sebum Remover, HeadpOp Focus. Unlike typical sebum suction devices, HeadpOp Focus drastically reduces skin side effects which occur during extrusion, and even allow you to extrude blackheads. As it generates suction power at regular intervals, you get rid of blackheads with only minimal skin irritation. The Haman Sebum Remover is an incredibly modern and smart gadget that can be directly paired with a mobile device. You can use the mobile app to control the extrusion intensity and brightness of the light. Through pairing, you can precisely manage your skin while viewing it directly. You'll even be able to effectively extrude areas that aren't normally seen. HeadpOp Focus is not a simple sebum extruding device. It's a perfect skincare gadget. The Haman Sebum Remover stand is more than just a mere stand. It works as both a charger for the device and a storage stand that keeps the head tips intact. The UV LED sterilizer helps you store the head tips with maximum hygiene. Haman does not miss even the smallest parts. We've created all of this according to Haman's design philosophy.
Hello supporters, this is Haman's campaign team for HeadpOp Focus. Existing sebum suction devices come with a lot of problems, so we thought about a way to remove sebum and also minimize potential problems. The HeadpOp Focus feature is inspired by the structure of suction devices used in otolaryngology clinics. We utilize the principles of these suction devices to our sebum suction device, reinforcing the suction power and significantly reducing irritation. Moreover, we enhanced its efficiency by embedding a clear high-performance lens into the device. We elevated the functional completion level and strive to reach the highest standards in storage and design. At the same time, we even fulfilled all hygienic elements. And this is the outcome of that process.